How to use DeepSeek with Google Docs. To use DeepSeek with Google Docs, you primarily need to use a third-party workflow automation platform like Make N at AN or Appy Pie Automate. Now, there is no official direct add-on provided by a DeepSeek for Google Sheet. So this method involves creating an automated workflow between the two services. The general steps are such as signing up for an automated platform. So you just need to create an account on service like Make, Appy Pie Automate, and next you want to register on DeepSeek as well, and then you have to get the API key as you'll need to authenticate the service within the automation platform. Now next, what you need to do is in the automatic or automation platform, you want to start a new workflow or scenario, and then you have to choose a Google Docs or other app as the trigger application. And for example, the trigger could be new document in the folder or new row in Google Sheet. And next, you want to select DeepSeek as an action application. The action will likely be generate chat completions or custom prompt, and you'll configure the prompt using data for Google Docs or Sheet. And this way, you'll be able to use DeepSeek with Google Docs. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.